Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
The life of a honey badger is unpredictable, tenacious, and full of surprises. Now, consider a sloth, gentle, steady, and unhurried. English language learning is much like these two creatures. In the beginning, you'll feel like a honey badger, diving headfirst into unfamiliar territory, navigating through the wilderness of new words, grammar rules, and cultural nuances. It's exciting, it's challenging, and sometimes it's downright confusing. But much like the honey badger, you'll develop a fierce tenacity. You'll dig deep into your resources, unearthing new vocabulary, mastering tricky idioms, and conquering tough grammar rules. Yet, in all this, there's an element of surprise and joy in discovering the richness of the language. Then, as you get a grip on the language, you'll transition to the phase of the sloth. Your learning will become steady and unhurried. You'll take your time to understand the nuances, to appreciate the beauty of the language, and to refine your skills. So embrace your inner honey badger and sloth. Navigate the wilds, dig deep, be patient, and remember, every journey is unique. Your English learning journey is no exception. Connect with me for more English learning, and remember, like, comment, and subscribe to the video.